Let's discuss about vitamins. Vitamins are fat-soluble or water-soluble vitamins. In fat-soluble vitamins, vitamin A it consists of beta-carotenes that is found in carrots or other vegetables as well as in the liver. And the role that vitamin A plays in normal development is vision. It helps to improve the immunity, and it also plays its role in bone and teeth development. So whenever deficiency of vitamin A, that would lead to the problems like vision impairment, immunity problems, as well as the development of bone and teeth. Similarly, vitamin D is chemically called as calciferol or activated ergosterol. This is also important for bone and teeth development. Vitamin A and vitamin D both are expressed in international units. And normally vitamin A and D are added to milk. And you might also know that in Pakistan, all the vegetable oils and ghee has to be fortified with vitamin A and D. So because they are fat-soluble vitamins, so they are normally added to milk and oil. Vitamin E is another fat-soluble vitamin. This is chemically called as tocopherol, and it has got 4 different forms: alpha, beta, gamma, and delta tocopherols. It plays an important role in retardation of oxidation in the human body and tissue. And the good sources of vitamin E are canola oil, soybean oil, or peanut oil. Normally, heat would denature this vitamin. And if we have deficiency of vitamin A, that is going to affect reproduction, injury to the central nervous system, growth retardation, and a lot of other diseases. Another fat-soluble vitamin is vitamin K. Vitamin K is present in our intestine by the growth of normal microflora, like different microorganisms. They produce vitamin K. But whenever we take antibiotics, that normally destroys those microflora of intestine, and that would lead to the deficiency of vitamin K. Vitamin K is found in cabbage, cauliflower, and spinach, and some of the other vegetables. This vitamin is important for clotting of blood. Now let's talk about B vitamins. B vitamins, there are different forms of B vitamin like B1, B2, B3, B6, B12. We'll discuss few of them here. Vitamin B1 is called as thiamine, and it has got important function to play in nerve function, appetite, normal growth, digestion, fertility, lactation, etc. And whenever there's a deficiency of B vitamin, that would lead to palpitation and enlargement of heart and retardation of growth. Similarly, vitamin B2 is called as riboflavin. This is found in milk, and it is heat labile. That means it is denatured by the action of sunlight or rays. It has important application because whenever we have deficiency of vitamin B2, that would lead to vision impairment, scaling on the skins, growth retardation, and it can also develop lesions on the mucosal membrane. So vitamin B2 is actually important, and that must be provided by enough quantity in food. Biotin is another important B vitamin, and this is produced by the microflora, again by microflora of intestine, and this is not very common to have the deficiency of vitamin biotin. So that is why we really do not know how much biotin must be taken. It is unknown that what is the exact amount that is needed by human beings. This is normally found in liver. Vitamin C is another very important fat water-soluble vitamin. It is important for the development of bones and teeth. It has got important role to be played in healing and healing of wounds, as well as healing of bones and teeth. So vitamin C has got very important roles in the immunity as well.